In this video, we'll demonstrate how to log someone out of your Facebook account. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. You might want to log someone out of your Facebook account if you suspect unauthorized access, or if you've logged in from a shared device and want to ensure your privacy and security by preventing others from using your account without your permission. Logging them out helps protect your personal information and ensures that your Facebook account remains secure. So, let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu icon located at the bottom right corner. If you are using an Android device, the menu button might be situated at the top right. Tap on it, and then scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Open this section, and within it, tap on Settings. Within the vast realm of settings and privacy, your destination is the Account Center. To reach this point, click on the See More within the Account Center section. Select the second option, which is Password and Security. Once you've done that, scroll down until you reach the section titled Where You're Logged In. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices and sessions where your Facebook account is currently active. Identify the device or session you want to log out of and tap the three dots next to it. This will open a menu with options. Select Log Out, and it will immediately log that device or session out of your Facebook account. Continue this process for any other devices or sessions you want to log out of. Simply tap the Log Out button next to each one to remove them from your account. To enhance your account's security further, consider checking that Facebook Protect is enabled. Additionally, it's a good practice to change your password after logging out devices or sessions. This ensures that anyone previously logged in cannot access your account with your old password. That's it. You've successfully logged out someone from your Facebook account and taken steps to secure it. Remember to keep your login credentials safe to prevent unauthorized access in the future. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.